How's that going?
Well, I do write a little longer because I sometimes have short, little things on the writing length, and my neatness it's not getting too crazy.
How are the conventions? How's your punctuation?
I'm working on that. I just wish I could put the commas.
Or the capital letter?
Well, the capital letter, I just don't know why. I just write capital letters.
Well, I've made some gains there, though. You know, certainly that's going to be more of a goal over time, you know, but it's certainly being more thoughtful about it.
Has he shown some improvement in that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. But he's also thinking about that as an issue. We wouldn't have even been talking about that 6 months ago, right? So so being aware of it is the first step, right? And, okay, how about in terms of, you've mentioned a bit about math already. So what were some things that you've already touched on a couple of them. We've been doing a lot of new things in math lately. So what do you think you've improved at
Mostly my data handling.
Okay, what about data handling? We'll be looking at it later.
Yeah, the math sheet that you gave me, I've been understanding it really well, and it's come easy for me. So yeah, and I've understand all the data and how to use it.
Yeah, I definitely think you've had a lot more confidence around our most recent work with geometry and with data handling. So you show a lot more independence, and certainly you're moving through